Hello everyone. Today what we are going to learn is routing protocol in ad hoc network. And what we are going to cover in this video is introduction, characteristics, application, types of routing and protocol in detail. Now the principle कैसा है? ad hoc network का principle क्या है? जो message रहता है वो directly source से destination पे नहीं जाता है. The message is conveyed through the hops. That is, we can see in the figure. First message is sent from first to node to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth and sixth to seventh. Now why it is done? Because infrastructure not available, or it is impractical to install such infrastructure, or it is expensive. And mechanism is store and forward. First message is stored in the node and then it is forwarded. Stored and then forwarded. Now there are the two significant factors which affect the protocol performance, that is mobility pattern and traffic pattern. Mobility pattern में क्या होता है? Usually और uniformly destination choose हो जाती है, and traffic pattern the nodes are chosen, communicating nodes are chosen randomly. Then the characteristics. There are three characteristics or more can be there. Dynamic topology, energy constraint, limited physical security. Dynamic topology. Network topology may change dynamically as nodes are free to move. Energy constraint. As we know, nodes are dependent on some exhaustible resources. It can be sunlight or it can be batteries for their energy purpose. Limited physical security. It is more prone to physical security threat than the fixed cable network. Now what are the applications of ad hoc network? That is network extension, local interconnection network, ubiquitous computing and personal area network. What is network extension? It helps to extend the network beyond the range. The network infrastructure exists but with sufficient coverage. Hence the ad hoc network is used to extend the interconnectivity beyond the range. Where it is not possible the interconnection, we can give it by the help of ad hoc network. And local interconnection network, it helps to point audio and video conference call. Ubiquitous computing, a great example is TV setup box is controlled by the smartphone. Personal area network, most popular technology, we all know that is Bluetooth. Now what are the types of routing? That is table driven, proactive one, source initiated second, hybrid the last. Table driven, up-to-date routing information maintained, and what routing overhead independent of the route usage. Source initiated, routes maintained only for routes in use. जिस पे डाटा जाना है सिर्फ उसी की इंफॉर्मेशन मेंटेन होगी. हाइब्रिड, इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टेबल ड्रिवन एंड सोर्स इनिशिएटेड. नाउ ad hoc routing protocols. It is a table I made. You can see that table driven, hybrid, source initiated, location aware, multipath, hierarchical, multicast, geographical multicast and power aware. टेबल ड्रिवन की कुछ एग्जांपल है DSGV, OSLR, hybrid examples ZRP, source initiated, AODV, location aware, multipath and all this. You can see that. Now protocols in table driven, each node maintain up-to-date routing information of all the nodes. That is, first node know how many nodes are in the network and it know the every information about that. This routing protocol differs in the method by which the topology change information is distributed across the network and the number of necessary routing related table. And some of the existing table driven routing protocols, DSGV and WRP, the wireless routing protocol. Source initiated, routes is created only for when source requests a route to a destination. जब भी source request करेगा route destination पे, then only route create होता है. And route reactive protocol acquire routing information when actually needed. It unnecessary not create the route. Whenever it want to send the data, then only routes are created or routing information is created. Advantages is high uncertainty in the position of the nodes. However, the reactive protocol are much situated and perform better for ad hoc network. What is the disadvantage of this? High latency time in route finding, excessive flooding can be there. An example, ABR, associative based routing, AODV, ad hoc on demand distance vector, DSR, dynamic source routing. What is hybrid one? Proactive mechanism of node discovery within a node immediate neighbor with interzone communication is carried out by using reactive approach. node individually creates its own neighborhood with called a routing zone. The zone is defined as a collection of nodes whose minimum distance from the nodes is question is no longer greater than a value that is called zone radius. Example ZRP, zone routing protocol. Location aware क्या कहता है? Location aware routing scheme in mobile ad hoc network assume that individual nodes are aware of the location all the nodes है. लोकेशन अवेयर में क्या होता है, हर नोड को पता रहता है कि उसके आसपास उसके लोकेशन में कौन सी नोड है. ये उस इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज करता है फॉर सर्च डिस्कवरी और द रूट डिस्कवरी. इसमें दो फ्लोटिंग रीजन रहते हैं LAR प्रोटोकॉल में, दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड जोन और रिक्वेस्ट जोन. जब कोई सोर्स नोड को पता है कि किसको पैकेट भेजना है तो वो उसी को ही भेजेगा एंड दैट कम इन द एक्सपेक्टेड जोन, रिक्वेस्ट जोन. एंड जब उसको नहीं पता है कि किसको मैसेज भेजना है तो वो जितनी उसके कनेक्टेड नोड होगी उन सबको भेज देगा, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सपेक्टेड जोन. मल्टीपाथ, एक सिंगल पाथ ना लेके बहुत सारे पाथ ढूंढने जाते हैं सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन. इंस्टेड ऑफ ओनली अ सिंगल पाथ इट कैन बी यूजफुल टू कंप्यूट मल्टीपल पाथ बिटवीन अ गिवन सोर्स डेस्टिनेशन पेयर. मल्टीपल पाथ कैन बी डिसजॉइंट और ब्रेडेड. इट कैन बी यूज साइमल्टेनियसली, अल्टरनेटिवली और रैंडमली. एक ही बार में हर पाथ यूज नहीं होगा, कभी अल्टरनेटली हो सकता है. जैसे आज अपन ने भेजा है फर्स्ट से तो कल हो सकता है सेकंड पाथ से भेज दिया जाए, या रैंडमली आज फर्स्ट है कल सेकंड है. साइमल्टेनियसली दोनों को यूज कर सकते हैं कि दो अलग अलग डाटा है तो एक को फर्स्ट पाथ से भेजा, एक को सेकंड पाथ से. मल्टीपाथ राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल क्रिएट मल्टीपल रूट फ्रॉम सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन. हायरार्किकल, हायरार्की में क्या होता है कि नोड्स को हायरार्की के हिसाब से बांट दिया जाता है. ये क्यों कैसे करते हैं? क्लस्टरिंग टेक्निक, के मीन्स मेथड. Nodes at the higher level of the hierarchy provide special services improving scalability and efficiency of routing. Efficiency of routing improve करने में help करता है. Multicast routing protocol distribute a packet to all reachable nodes or to a somehow denoted subgroup. Basic option: source based tree. Construct a tree to reach all address. Minimize total cost. Minimize maximum cost to each destination. Shared core based tree. Use only a single tree for all sources. Every source send packet to the tree where they are distributed. Mesh. There are only one connected. Use meshes to provide higher redundancy and thus robustness in mobile environment. Geographical multicast routing protocol. It constructs virtual coordinates that preserve enough neighborhood information to be useful in geographic routing but do not require actual position determination. Use polar coordinate from a center point. Assign virtual angle range to neighbor of a node, bigger radius. Angle are recursively distributed to children nodes. Power aware. Create an efficient route between the source and the destination. एक efficient route बनाना है source node से लेके destination node तक. जब एक्टिव रहेगा ट्रांसमिशन पावर कंट्रोल लो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. इनएक्टिव पीरियड में क्या होता है? स्लीप मोड और सिंपली टर्न इट्स ऑफ व्हेन देयर नो डाटा. जब कोई डाटा ट्रांसमिट नहीं होता है तो इनएक्टिव पीरियड में जाया जाता है, दैट इज इन स्लीप मोड, और टर्न्स इट ऑफ व्हेन देयर इज नो डाटा टू ट्रांसमिट. थैंक यू.